comes into a toggle switch. This represents your toggle switch. Through some fuses. Now L2 is simple. L2 just runs across, picks up, you know, the one side of everything: your crankcase heater, your high head pressure light, your oil fill light, your contactor, your run light, your liquid injection solenoid, which also is controlled from L1 on your CSR. Now L1 is what's critical. L1 comes into your relay board, into common. You always want to pick up your relay. You want to shut off the compressor before any safeties, in case you have a module or something of that nature. Normally closed. Now this is being an E2 Emerson, depending on how you want your dip switch, is how you set it up. You want it to fill on, you want it to fill off, you're fail safe. But you know, that's up to the store, up to the individual. How many compressors you got versus how many you want on in a failure. Come through your discharge thermostat, little clicks on the discharge line. Enter your dual pressure safety. Now these can't be individual, but you just tie them together. High pressure, if it has an alarm light, you know, L1 would come up, pick up the other side of your high head pressure light. Come into your track soil. Now this is where it gets, most oil fills have a common, usually L. Trax oil also has a common. You take your common and tie it into L1. And that in turn, normally closed would go to your oil fill light. Normally open would go to your control for run, which would be M1. No problem, no big deal. Then, you know, you got your L1 that also picks up right here in this little area, picks up your run light if you have one. If you don't have the control, you just leave it out. Also, you have over here, you have your digital input for compressor monitor, and that's, looking at this one, it's going to be, you know, an auxiliary on the side of the contactor. But what happens when the contactor pulls in, senses amperage, your CSR relay actually closes, allowing power to continue through L1 because you're coming through your control circuit. Everything's coming through into your CSR, into your liquid injection solenoid. Hope that helps. Thank you.